Keeping a house clean certainly poses a challenge for those juggling a busy lifestyle. Just imagine, you're already dealing with a full plate: work demands, family commitments, social engagements, and on top of that, there's the perpetual task of keeping your living space neat and tidy. It can feel like a Herculean task, right? Well, you're not alone. This is a common struggle many of us face daily. Yet the importance of a clean and organized environment cannot be understated. It's not just about appearances, it's about your well-being too. Living in a tidy space can significantly reduce stress, promote better sleep, and even boost productivity. It's a domino effect that impacts every aspect of your life. But don't worry, because we're about to share some quick and easy housekeeping hacks that will help you keep your home tidy with minimal effort. Before we dive into the hacks, let's first understand the essentials of quick cleaning. Every effective cleaning routine starts with having the right tools and supplies at hand. You wouldn't attempt to fix a leaky faucet without a wrench, would you? The same applies to cleaning. First on our list is a good all-purpose cleaner. This is your go-to product for cleaning most surfaces in your home. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Next, we have microfiber cloths. These little powerhouses are great for dusting, wiping, and polishing. They are reusable and can save you a lot of money in the long run. A vacuum cleaner is also a must-have. It's a versatile tool that can clean everything from carpets to upholstery. And last but not least, a mop. It's your best friend when it comes to cleaning floors. With these essentials at your disposal, you're already halfway to a cleaner, tidier home. Now, armed with your cleaning essentials, it's time to dive into our speed cleaning tips. Let's start with a fundamental strategy. Focus on one room at a time. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you look at your entire house as a single cleaning project. Instead, break it down into manageable chunks. Focus on the kitchen one day, the living room the next, and so on. This way, the task at hand becomes less daunting and more achievable. Next, try setting a timer for each cleaning task. You'd be amazed at what you can accomplish in just 15 minutes. Whether it's a quick vacuum of the living room or wiping down the kitchen counters, setting a timer not only keeps you focused, but also gives you a clear endpoint. Now let's talk about adopting a clean-as-you-go mentality. This is a simple yet powerful habit that can drastically reduce the amount of time you spend cleaning. Done cooking? Clean the dishes and wipe the counters immediately. Finished watching TV? Fluff the pillows and fold the throw blanket right away. These small actions can prevent messes from building up and becoming more time-consuming to clean later. Another tip is to incorporate cleaning tasks into your daily routines. For example, while your morning coffee brews, use that time to unload the dishwasher or tidy up the living room. Or during your evening wind-down routine, spend a few minutes picking up clutter and putting things back in their place. Remember, speed cleaning isn't about rushing or cutting corners. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about finding ways to maintain cleanliness in your home without spending hours on chores. It's about freeing up more time for you to enjoy the things you love. With these speed cleaning tips, you can effectively maintain a clean home without it taking over your life. Let's now focus on those pesky, hard-to-clean areas that often eat up most of our cleaning time. Ever tried cleaning the grout between your bathroom tiles? Or maybe that narrow gap between the fridge and the wall? These are the kind of areas that can really test your patience. But don't worry, we've got some hacks to help you out. First, let's talk vinegar and baking soda. This dynamic duo can work wonders on tough spots. For instance, to clean the grout, mix equal parts of vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture onto the grout, let it sit for about 5 minutes, then scrub with a toothbrush. Rinley and voila, your grout is as good as new. Now to the narrow gaps. Wrap a cloth around a butter knife and swipe it through the gap. For stubborn dirt, spray some vinegar, let it sit for a while, then swipe again. Next up, let's talk about dusting. Dusting is often overlooked, but it can make a massive difference in the cleanliness and overall air quality in your home. A lint roller can be a great tool for dusting. Roll it over lampshades, bookshelves, and even your upholstered furniture to quickly pick up dust, hair, and other small particles. Finally, regular maintenance cleaning is key. It's much easier to wipe up a small spill right away than it is to scrub a dried-on mess later. So make it a habit to clean up as you go. For example, after cooking, wipe down your stove and countertops. Clean your bathroom mirror after brushing your teeth. By doing small cleaning tasks regularly, you'll prevent dirt and grime from building up, making your overall cleaning task much easier and quicker. Remember, tackling these areas regularly can prevent buildup and make your cleaning tasks much easier. Now, you're ready to conquer even the toughest spots in your home without breaking a sweat. Cleaning doesn't have to be a daunting task that you dread. Indeed, we've journeyed through the essentials of maintaining a tidy home, shared some quick-fire cleaning tips, and shed light on those pesky, hard-to-clean areas. The key takeaway? Keeping a clean home is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process. However, with the arsenal of hacks we've discussed, you can make it a breeze. Imagine coming home to a spotless living space after a long day at work, or hosting friends on a whim without scrambling to clean. That's the power of these tips at your fingertips. And the best part? You don't need to spend hours on chores. So let's bid farewell to the stress of untidiness. Dive into these strategies, tweak them to fit your routine, and watch your home transform. We encourage you to try these tips and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, a clean home is a happy home.